Hello from sunny Southern California. This is your weather woman meteorologist Amy Metz talking about Surigae, which is now a super typhoon, the strongest we've had all year. 190-mile-per-hour wind speeds, more than 300 kilometers per hour. This is near the Philippines, but hopefully not going to make a full-blown landfall. Let's take a look at the radar and I'll show you why. Right here, I'm looking at wind gusts, which are actually very close to the wind speeds with this app. Now, 100-mile-per-hour plus where it's white. Even the purples are about 90 miles per hour. So some of those offshore bands are very, very strong, much stronger than what we're going to see cross over land. Playing out the weather model, I am pretty much in agreement with this, but I do think the storm could get a little bit closer before it turns north. Let's take a look at the specifics of that by heading down to a different layer in the atmosphere. I'm going to go back to the regular winds. From the surface, I'll be creeping up to about 500 millibars midway through the sky and setting this toggle back to now. So what's going on big picture here is that there's a lot of, let's say, really calm air to the north. There is a bit of a pull and an even stronger jet further north than that blue region, which is very calm air. Because that's swooping so strong to the east, some of this is wanting to get picked up and pulled into that. Right here, you can see kind of a connection there as the model plays out. Again, for right now, there's already a little bit of a connection there. That is when I can say that things might get picked up a little bit by the jets. This could even add in a little bit of wind shear. One reason is that some of these upper level winds are moving away from the center of the storm. So that's a different direction, a different height for the wind speeds. Another is that as this air starts hitting land, hitting buildings, hitting terrain, it will also give kind of a pushback and add in some additional wind shear on this side of the storm. So we have wind shear on the west, wind shear on the east, but not a lot in either place. So I would expect a very strong storm to be skirting along the coast northward, just like we're seeing here. I hope everybody can stay safe and find a way to enjoy the weather without being in harm's way. We're all hoping the Philippines get through this safely.